Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a drone tour of the Rockport depot for the JUTC. Now you access this depot from Windward Road. Now the JUTC is a government-owned bus service in Jamaica, and it has three depots. One in Kingston, which is the one we're looking at, one in Portmore, and one in Spanish Town. The Spanish Town depot is actually the head office for the JUTC. Now, look at this depot. What surprises me? Look at the amount of buses that are in the depot. Now, the older buses are the white buses. Those are the ones being phased out. But the yellow buses are the newer buses. So quite a few of these buses are yellow buses. So with the JUTC short of buses, they have, I think, 100 buses to come in before August this year, or come in sometime around August. It's either 50 or 100, but in all, they have 300 buses on order. The first set should arrive, I think it's 50. It's either 50 or 100 are going to arrive this year, um, before school starts in September. But I'm just a bit surprised. So, guys, what do you think about all these buses parked in the depot? Now, remember, the ones that have painted white, those are the older ones. So, those are probably the ones that need parts. But the yellow ones, like straight ahead, there are so many yellow buses. And this video was done in the morning, um, between 8 and 9. So, this would be probably one of the busy times for JUTC to get people to work and students to school. So, guys, let me know what you think about so many buses being at the depot. And the JUTC has indicated that they are shorter buses. They need to roll out 400 every day for an efficient service. Now, the JUTC services the Kingston Metropolitan Transport area, which is Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town. And it has some limited service in other parts of the country. The JUTC, Jamaica Urban Transit Company, is a government-owned public transport service operating within the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region, KMTR, Spanish Town, and Portmore. It was founded in 1999 and its service area is Kingston, Spanish Town, Portmore, Ocho Rios with minor services, and Montego Bay with minor services. It has hubs in Halfway Tree, the Halfway Tree Transport Center in Halfway Tree, North, West, and South Parade in downtown Kingston. Alright, guys, let us know what you think about the depot and all the buses there. Leave your comments in the section below. And we'll also do an update video on the new buses that are to come in and give you an update as to when they're coming in. Now, that road that you're looking at is actually the Sir Florizel Glass Bowl Boulevard. No, sorry. That is Michael Manley Boulevard. When Michael Manley Boulevard reaches the intersection with Windward Road and you go straight across, that is Sir Florizel Glass Bowl Boulevard. And straight ahead, that's the Jamaica Private Power Company, where you see that blue building and those black tanks. Now, this is Windward Road on the left, and that's actually where you see that building with the blue at the bottom and the yellow. That is the entrance to the depot. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.